We're starting with the demo by showing the core solution that deployed in AWS. It has two parts, the front end and the back end. So the call monitoring stack, it's the front end, and the Asterisk SCT stack is the back end. It has Asterisk open source, managing the calls and connecting the call to a speech to text in Google. So it's a hybrid solution from AWS. I'm connecting through API to a Google speech to text service and to the Vertex AI of Google as well to do the insights. So let me show you like step by step how I'm configuring it. First, if you go to the call monitoring stack, and I'm gonna go to the instances created by the deployment. As you see, I'm gonna refresh. There are terminated services. I'm gonna show you only the running one. So there are two parts, the SCT again and the web service instance. And I'm gonna go to the instance having the front end, and I'm gonna copy this IP address. This is what I've added here. And this is how I'm getting my front end solution. This front end solution is straightforward. It's analytics, speech analytics page. It's a proof of concept. So when you call, and this is what I'm gonna do shortly, your phone number will appear automatically, the text automatically, like the speech will be translated to text live. And at the end of the call, the status will show it's call ended. And automatically the Vertex AI will calculate my sentiment as a customer calling. If as a customer mentioned any competitor, the competitor will be automatically shown here. The product that the customer is calling for, it will appear here. The call driver, so it's summary, is it a billing issue or it's a device issue or whatever, or technical support. And then it will generate an insight. And all of that information, it will be summarized in a case. A Salesforce case number will be created. So let's go and do it. Before going there, let me show you the backend. So the backend, I need to configure it actually. If we go back to the instances, and I'm gonna go to the backend, similar way like I've done for the front end where I've got the IP address. I'm gonna go to the backend. It's containerized solution, by the way. So it's a serverless container. So I'm gonna go and get that container IP address, the 54, ending with 54. And I'm gonna go to my CPaaS, the communication platform as a service. I'm using Twilio here. So as you see here, the asterisk, I created an asterisk trunk, and the originating IP address, I'm gonna configure it to show the container hosting the asterisk. So it's 54, and I'm gonna save it. And as you see here, I'm having a number that I have configured for my call center, or what I'm showing as a call center. So I'm gonna call it, and you're gonna listen. So I'm gonna call this number. I'm gonna pretend I'm a customer complaining and calling this number. So let's see how the live discussion is gonna appear on the description here. And I'm gonna show you at the end of the call how all those parameters will be generated and the case will be created afterwards. So let me zoom in on this area here. And let's call. I'm gonna put the speaker on. We're gonna call, there are two options that I want to show you. The option 2, where I'm leaving a message, and the option 3, I'm gonna do it shortly as well. This is where I will do a conversation with a virtual agent, voice to voice, human to virtual agent. So let's go.
Welcome to Fabulous. For sales, press 1. For technical support, press 2.
So I'm gonna press
Talk
2.
to a virtual agent, press 3. Welcome to our technical support. Please go with your ask after you hear the beep.
Hi, this is about my internet service. Look, I'm really frustrated here. The speed has been absolutely terrible lately. Everything's buffering, my work calls keep dropping. It's just unusable. Honestly, I never had these problems when I was with Bell. Their service was more reliable. I don't know what's going on, but I need someone to call me back and fix this as soon as possible, or I'm seriously thinking about switching back to Bell. So this is so ridiculous, like for what I'm paying. My number is 514-606-1234. Thank you very much. I'm gonna hang up. Oh, catch. I'm gonna hang up as well. So this is where, let me go back here. I need to refresh to make it reappearing. It's not an issue yet. So you see the text was live there's no even a glitch, like it was translating live my speech to text, and you see the call ended. It captured Bell as competitor, and you see the internet has been detected because I was calling about the internet issue, and the driver for some reason didn't catch it, not an issue, but the inside it's customer inquiry analysis fallback. And as you see, like there's a case number has been created. So when I click here on the case, it's opening Salesforce case, and you see it created the case number, it's new, and it's created by me. And as you see, like the text exactly like it's summarized and added here, and you see the numbers captured perfectly. So this is how I can simply have a speech-to-text solution that it's straightforward. Like it's 3 weeks. It was built in 3 weeks. I'm pretty sure like we can enhance better and create more insights using the Vertex AI. You see the sentiment was read, like the frustration is obvious there. So that's it for the first part. So now we're going with the second part of the demo. It's making me calling and talking to a virtual agent. And what I've done, I made this virtual agent. I used like the Google conversational AI. I made it grounded with a Word document. In real life, the Google Dialogflow conversational AI, you can ground it with a backend feeded by a vector DB, feeded by the billing system or product inventory system. But for this proof of concept, just to simplify things, it's just like a Word document that you can upload through the web. So as you see in this Word document, I'm just showing plans like internet plans as an example here. Basic, family plan, fiber, pro plan, etc. There's a wireless mobile plan, and there's a bundle plan. So let's call and ask about the internet plan, and let's see what kind of answers we will get. So I'm going to use the same number, but I will choose the option 3. So let's go. Speaker.
Welcome to Fabula. For sales, press 1. For technical support, press 2. To talk to a virtual agent, press 3. Connecting you to our AI assistant.
Hi, I'm calling to understand what kind of internet plans you have.
Hello, I'm the Body Lab virtual assistant. I can help you with information on our telecom products. Regarding your question about internet plans, I can definitely help you with that. What kind of information are you looking for?
I just want to have a family plan up to 500 Mbps, something like that.
The Family Fast Plan, which offers speeds up to 500 megabits per second download and 20 megabits per second upload, costs $53.99 per month. This plan is best for HD streaming on multiple devices, online gaming, and working from home. Would you like more details on this plan or other options?
I'm good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So it's just a simple communication. It's grounded, and as you've seen, like it was calling and it was answering from exactly the text I made, like the AI using on this Word document. Now the next step, I'm gonna do some changes here. So I'm gonna ask the same question, but instead of 53, I'm gonna make it 63. And I'm gonna upload in the UI, so it's 0 code upload. And let's see how the VA will be answering from the new version. Let's do it. Good, so let's show you, like I've changed the Word document to reflect the fast plan to be like 63.99 instead of 53. And to make the VA getting the new version, I just go and click here. And I select my comprehensive plan, the new version that I just updated. So open and upload. So you see the message here, uploaded successfully to the Nexus KB S3 bucket. That is the bucket in the cloud, and it's here. So it's a KB document where I'm showing, if I'm refreshing this one, you would see it It was just like uploaded, 9:56:30 November. Let me call back and I'm gonna ask for the same plan, but let's see the price now.
For sales, press 1. For technical support, press 2. To talk to a virtual agent, press 3. Connecting you to our AI assistant.
Hi, can you tell me what kind of internet plans you have?
Hello, I'm the Body Lab virtual assistant. I can help you with information on our telecom products. Regarding your question about internet plans, please specify what details you're interested in, such as speed, data allowance, or price.
I'd like something up to 500 Mbps.
The Family Fast plan offers speeds up to 500 megabits per second download and 20 megabits per second upload. It costs $63.99 per month and includes unlimited data.
So the 63.99 has been reflected. So as you see, again, it's simple proof of concept. It does not reflect a real life use case or solution. We're reaching the end of our demo. As a summary, we can use easily a speech-to-text solution with a Vertex AI, the API to summarize a call live and give sentiment analysis, giving some insights like about competitors, automatically summarizing everything and create a case number with that information. And I showed a virtual agent grounded with a Word document that has the price plans. And we showed like how we can easily change that price plan Word document, upload it, and feed the VA with that new information. Thanks for your patience and have a great day.